Hey all! Vrikshayurveda is an ancient Indian agricultural and horticultural science. It applies Ayurvedic principles to botany, focusing on sustainable cultivation, soil management, and eco friendly pest control to ensure healthy plant growth and maximum yield. It operates on a holistic philosophy where plants are treated as living entities with their own circulatory systems, consciousness, and susceptibility to imbalances. Just like the human bodies, plant health is governed by the vata, the air, pitta or fire, and kapha or water doshas, which is called the tridosha system. Disease management focuses on restoring balance among these three forces. Vrikshayurveda is experiencing a revival as a framework for sustainable and organic farming. Its practices are seen as a natural solution to restore depleted, chemically laden soils and re establish disturbed biodiversity without relying on artificial inputs. Text Vrikshayurveda by Surapala consists of 325 Sanskrit slokas dedicated to the plant life. The term literally translates to the science of plant life or Ayurveda for trees. Derived from Sanskrit, it combines Vriksha, the tree or plant, and Ayurveda, the science of life. It is an ancient Indian discipline that outlines holistic, organic methods for the care, cultivation, and healing of plants and trees. A. Binu and his teammates from Vallu region of Kottayam are the Vrikshayurveda experts who popularized this practice in Kerala. He started learning about this technique and using it since 2010. He has also healed around 220 trees across Kerala and other states. Like human beings and other species, trees also have a lifespan. The jackfruit trees have the lifespan of around 85 to 100 years. There are certain illnesses that affect the trees. The different kinds of illnesses include fungal diseases, drying of branches, root decay, wounds on the wood, yellowing of leaves, and injuries caused by lightning. Vrikshayurveda suggests treatments and medicines for each disease. The main ingredients for the medicines include milk, banana, honey, vetiver, gram powder, raw cow dung, and different types of soil, including soil from the paddy field and termite soil. There are totally 26 ingredients for each medicine. The plants should be given proper rest for 6 months after the treatment. The visual shows the treatment of a jackfruit tree that was uprooted during a heavy rainfall. The practice has gained renewed interest among agriculturalists, botanists, and environmentalists, with a growing movement towards sustainable and chemical free agriculture. These ancient, eco friendly techniques serve as an invaluable resource for organic farming and maintaining ecological balance. Thanks for watching. To get more information regarding Indian heritage and ancient Indian knowledge, subscribe our channel.